In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your desktop look clean. So once you're on your desktop on Windows, you have to right click and then go inside View, okay? Now here you can change whether you want large icons, which look like this, which isn't very clean in my opinion, or medium icons, which is the default, or small icons, which makes everything very, very small. Okay, I like to leave this at medium, but what's really important is this one over here. Now, you can press Auto Arrange Icons, which will automatically arrange your icons to the left part of your screen, which is very handy if you want to clean your entire desktop. Now, you can also uncheck that, and that doesn't happen anymore, okay? And you can have this align icons to grid checked on, and I actually suggest that, since if you don't do that, as you can see, you can put an icon or whatever you have on your desktop, a program anywhere, but if you have this align icons to grid checked, you can only put them in specific places, and it looks kinda, well, cleaner. And now, the last thing I wanted to say is this show desktop icons. If you want a completely wiped desktop without any icons, you don't need to simply delete each and every single one. You can simply press show desktop icons, and then if the check mark isn't there, you can't see anything and it's all clean. Now if you want to back reveal them, you want to go back, right click, view, and then show desktop icons, and that's literally it.